Hello. Does your van open?
Yes.
Can I open your door here?
No.
Okay, well, I need to see your identification, please.
For what reason?
Sorry?
For what reason?
You're illegally camping in the city of Morro Bay. It's a violation of the municipal code.
No, I'm not camping.
I am unable to really hear you. Can you just lower the window maybe so I can hear you? You don't have to open the door.
Can you hear me now?
What's that?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, a little bit better.
Hey guys, welcome back. This video comes to you from a channel called Katie Kidman. This is going to be two interactions with the same officer, different times. So apparently in this video, this woman likes to park her van around the houses that are near the beach. Obviously, these guys don't like people parking on their streets, so they're always calling the cops on this woman. They always go out and chalk her tires, the streets, because they're not allowed to touch her vehicle. But check out these interactions. Let me know what you guys think. Go subscribe to her channel. Let's help her channel blow up. I'll see you guys in her comment section.
Okay.
Yep. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I do.
May I see that, please?
I'm not doing anything wrong.
So the violation is that you're camping within the city of Morro Bay, and that's why I'm asking for your identification.
I just got here. I was praying.
I'm sorry?
I just got here. I was looking at the tree and the ocean over here.
Okay.
Like right over there. And praying to God.
Okay.
Which is, this all belongs to Him, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, so can I share it with you?
Sure.
I'm praying. Am I allowed to pray?
Absolutely.
Okay.
But that's not why I'm here. I can tell you why I'm here if you'd like.
Okay.
Okay. Can you open the door just so I can see inside the car? Because it makes me nervous when it's all shielded like this and I'm not able to see inside.
I don't have a problem, but there's a bunch of stuff here, so.
Hang on a second, folks. Pump your brakes. If you see police coming up to your vehicle, lock your doors, roll up the window, and just leave it cracked enough where you guys can hear each other speak. Keep in mind though, Pennsylvania versus Mims says that an officer can ask you to get out of the vehicle only if he can justify the stop. Keep that in mind, folks.
No problem. Take your time, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay. So, like I said, that's really beautiful. Did you do all that?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm Officer McCool at the Morro Bay Police Department, okay? The reason why I was called over was because somebody was nervous that the van was tinted black and that it was moved several times over the night and that it's facing the wrong way inside the city on the street. So that's why I was called. When I approached, it looked like, you might have been camping inside the vehicle. If you're saying that you're not, then that's fine. But I just want to explain to you why I'm coming over and talking to you.
Okay.
Okay. So you're not.
I'm sure your neighbors or the people here appreciate you talking for them.
To be honest, I don't know who called. It was some reporting party, but I have no idea who it was.
Okay.
So,
well,
okay.
Thank you.
But thought I'd let you know what's going on, why I'm contacting you. Doesn't look like you're doing anything wrong. Looks like you're just kind of hanging out in your car, which you're allowed to do. Okay.
Yeah.
The one thing I will let you know though is that it's illegal to park wrong way on a street.
I was just trying to look at the rock.
Totally get it. It's a beautiful view.
Yeah.
So if you want to continue to do that for a few moments, go ahead. But if you can do me a favor, maybe turn it to where it's facing the right way, so it just doesn't look so out of place.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a great night.
You too.
I'm gonna let you close it because I don't want to break anything.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
All right.
Alright guys, in that first video, Officer McCool didn't have a bad attitude. In fact, he could have probably given her a ticket for parking the wrong way. As you guys seen, he was chill. He wasn't rude. He wasn't disrespectful. That's what we want to see out there, folks. He understood that the woman had rights, so he wasn't going to try to trample all over them. A lot of folks think that we start our channels and we put these videos out to make cops look bad. Cops make themselves look bad on our videos. Officer McCool did an outstanding job in my opinion. Keep watching, folks. Let's see how he does in the second part.
Yeah, but not right here.
Okay, I got you. Well,
You have a mask on this time.
I do. Yeah, just being precautious. That's all.
You don't know how many fans you have, though.
What's that?
You have a lot of fans.
Oh, do I?
Yeah.
All right. Well, same
yeah.
circumstances as last time. The reason why I'm talking is because somebody called that you were parked in front of the house with everything shaded up. So that's all.
Oh, okay.
So, okay.
No problem.
That's all.
Alright guys, I was wondering, so I had to do it. I cut out a circle of his face on the other. I cut out a piece of his face on the other video and I pasted it here.
Yeah, I was watching these guys over here cracking up. They were mowing the lawn with a weed eater.
I wish I had that lot.
So I was talking to this guy stuck in the snow, and he's laughing. See,
Yeah. It happens.
it was funny. Bye.
You
But I
enjoying your
figured
stay-
out why, because he parked that thing right
Are
there.
you enjoying your stay in Morro Bay?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
You get
I
a-
didn't expect to stay this long, but
I know. Are you? If you don't
But
mind me asking, are you from here?
this happened, and now I'm like, my hair fell out and stuff. I don't know what's
sorry.
going on.
Okay.
So-
Yeah. If you don't mind me asking, are you from the area or?
Yeah, pretty much been here all my life, probably a few lifetimes. Yeah, it's like home. It feels really familiar here.
No kidding.
Something kept telling me to come here, and I was like, why? I mean, for the last couple of years or so.
Sure.
And I came over here, and then that rock kept on attracting me.
The Rock does attract people.
And I'm
know,
I'm an
that's-
artist, so I've been painting and,
You
drawing the houses around here and the people. And, yeah,
Well, there's definitely no shortage of stuff to paint around here. So some beautiful views.
I know.
So-
It is. How are you doing? You doing all right?
Yeah. I think we're doing all right. We're a little short-staffed nowadays, but
You are?
Yeah,
Oh.
we're trying to get a couple more people going.
Because
So-
of that COVID thing? Or
Oh no, it's just all departments nowadays are hurting in that area, but we're making do and we're getting it done. So
Okay. Well, they have you. They have something to be proud of.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, because I took a video. I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
And not that many people, but a few, and they're like, that guy's cool, so they'll be happy to see you again.
All right. Well, we're back at it. So
Yeah. So you
This-
want me to move somewhere?
No. Well, I mean,
I don't have a problem with it.
I don't want to keep coming out and talking to you, but the shading is what makes people kind of worried, and I get it. You want privacy, and you're entitled to that. But the shading is why people, typically call us in. So
Oh, it is? Because I
Yeah.
usually put it up there because the sun is so...
I get it. I get
But-
it. So that's usually why people call us, to come out and check out on the cars and stuff like that. So when we have cars where, it looks, what in their words, it's suspicious with
Oh,
a car
okay.
that's all, has all the black tinted up and everything like that. People get worried and they call us. So
Okay.
I just, I hate to keep coming out and talking to you, but, if I get a call, I got to come out. So
Yeah.
I just
No,
wanna let
it's
you know.
it's all right.
So. Okay.
I mean, you're not bothering me.
All right. Well, I appreciate it.
So.
I try not to.
No, you're
So.
very nice.
Yeah, I mean, if I don't know if it was these folks or somebody over there, but somebody called. So it might be if you don't want to keep getting, called in on.
Yeah.
I'll let the next shift know that you're over here, and that way they kind of have an idea. But it might, if you don't want to keep getting called in on, it might be better for you to move. But that's your call.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I can. I was going to anyway.
Well, I'm sorry. What was your name?
Go for a walk or whatever. Katie.
Katie. All right,
Yeah.
Katie. Well, this is the second time we meet, and we
Yeah.
will part ways. Okay.
Thank you very much,
right. You have a
Mr.
good-
Cool. I
have a
mean,
good day, okay?
Officer Cool. You too.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Another one back there too. See?
I've seen several videos of Katie's where police officers come knocking on her car saying that people called. I gotta say that this officer did a very good job. This is how we want to see people treated, folks. Everybody go subscribe to Katie Kidman's channel. I'm pretty sure she's gonna have some future encounters. Make sure you let her know I sent you. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.